It's now time for the business day. The annual inflation rate now stands at 5.3%, still driven by higher prices in food, utilities, and hospitality. And let's tell you about the Jamaica Consumer Price Index. It fell by 0.4% in April, according to new data from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica. The biggest drop came from housing and utilities, where prices dipped 1.4%, driven by a sharp 4% decline in electricity rates. Food prices also eased down 0.5% due to lower costs of things such as yam, cabbage, and Irish potato. Holding inflation slightly up was a 0.4% rise in health costs. The annual inflation rate now stands at 5.3%, still driven by higher prices in food, utilities, and hospitality. Sagicor Group Jamaica is reporting a massive 297% increase in net profit for the first quarter of the year. The financial services group recorded $3.97 billion in net profit, a sharp rise from $1 billion Jamaican dollar the same period last year. Return on equity also jumped significantly to 15% compared to just 4% the previous year. Among the key segment highlights, insurance revenues climbed 14% to $14.3 billion. Net investment income more than doubled.
It shows, in my view, that the team is focused, that they're executing on our strategic objectives. And across the board, our business lines did well. They either did better than expected or as expected. And that, to me, as CEO of the group, was very important, because it says that our governance, our planning, our execution is really spot on.
Sagicor says it will continue investing in digital transformation, data security, and improving both employee and client experiences as it advances its long-term strategy. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 475 points today, while the junior market index declined by 18 points. The 42 stocks advancing were led by Epley Carbon Property Fund, Knutsford Express, Cygnus Credit Investments 8% preference shares, Proven Group US dollar shares, and Edufocal. 50 stocks declined, including Medical Disposables and Supplies, Iron Rock Insurance, MFS Capital Partners, Mayberry Group, and Berger Paints. 22 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $159.41. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116. The pound is going for $211.38, while the euro is selling for an average $179.48. And that's it for the business day. Regional and international stories are next.